If you've tried uploading a book to Amazon KDP and got stuck on that confusing bleed or no bleed setting, don't worry, you are not alone. Welcome to Digital Clicks, the channel where we break down self-publishing and Amazon KDP in simple, clear steps. Today I'll explain what bleed and no bleed really mean, how they affect your book layout, and how to set them up the right way so your book doesn't get rejected or blocked. This is one of the most formatting issues new publishers face, and if you don't get it right, your book might print with unexpected white borders, cut off text, or even get flagged during upload. By the end of this video, you will know when to use bleed and no bleed, the correct dimensions for common trim sizes like 6x9 and 8.5x11, and how to avoid unnecessary delays when uploading your interior to KDP. So stick around, this quick guide will save you time, stress, and rejected files. Okay, now I'll be using Microsoft Word to explain this. So now let's get to Microsoft Word. Okay, now this is your workspace on Microsoft Word. Where you have these grid lines is where your text, your designs, or whatever you are doing should appear. And when you have it done within these grid lines, it is called no bleed. But when your design, text, whatsoever crosses these grid lines and extend to the edge of this your page, it is called bleed. It is called bleed. Now, how can you do your setup? You come to page layout. Okay, now your paper setup. If you are doing no bleed, that means your design within, or whatever thing you are doing is within these grid lines. You are expected to leave your paper sizes like this if you are doing 8.5 and 11. But if it extends to the edge of this page, you have to add 0.125 to 8.5, then 0.25 to 11.5. So here now, if you add 0.125 to 8.5, you'll be having 8.625. so you type 8.625 here. Alright, and on the height you add 0.25. if you add that to it, you have 11.25 to it. This is when you want to do bleed. Okay, bleed, that is what you have to do. Then for paper size 6x9 with no bleed is just 6x9. Okay, that means your work, everything appears within these grid lines. Okay, now if it is with bleed, you are expected to add 0.125 to your width, which is 6, and add 0.25 to your height, which is this 9. And if you do that, you have here 6.125 by 9.25, and this gives you with bleed. Okay, with bleed. And if you are doing with bleed, it means you can do something like this. You can can do something like this. Okay, that means your design, you know, extend to the edge of this your page. I'm very sure you understand me. Now let me introduce you to something that will help you in your interior design. Okay, this is a course, Interior Formatting and Design Secrets. You can use your interior to make your readers buy your book even when they did not intend to buy it. Okay, you can design anything. This course will teach you how to design your book's interior. Okay, now I will leave the link in the description section of this video. You can get the course on Seller. Okay, so this course will teach you so many things on your interior, how you can design your interior. Okay, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel if you've not subscribed yet, and also share this video for others to learn from it. Thank you, and I will see you in the next